Hi everyone, so my name is Jen and I'm one of the public health dietitians working in Cwmtaf Morgannwg University Health Board. So we thought we would put together a short video specifically designed for carers with some general tips on how you might be able to support people to continue to eat well during social isolation. So the tips in this video are specifically designed to be for people who are at risk of malnutrition. As we know, people who aren't eating enough or get limited amounts of nutrients from the foods that they are eating are at an increased risk of malnutrition. So these tips are designed to help support people and give you some tips on how you might help support people to get the nutrients that they need. So the first thing that I was going to cover today was just simply ensuring you had some high protein food options available. So I'm thinking in particular your dairy food sources such as your cheese, milk and yogurt. Not only are those going to make a really good nourishing snack for somebody, but they can also be added to meals to increase the calorie content and to increase the nutrient content. So for example, if you think about mashed potato, if you add cheese, then you're going to be increasing calories, you're going to be increasing protein. The second thing that I wanted to cover was cooking in bulk. So it might be useful during this period, whether you are cooking for the individual or they're cooking for themselves, to cook larger portions. That way some of the food products, some of that meal can be stored away. So the NHS has some really good advice on how to safely store food. The website is NHS How to Store Food and Leftovers, so it's always worth checking that out. If for whatever reason it's not possible to be able to home make these meals, then it might always be handy to just go to the supermarket, pick up some fresh or frozen ready meals. Whether they're homemade or bought from the supermarket, then it means that that person has some ready meals that are going to require limited food preparation. If you are buying them from the supermarket, always double check the salt content because we wouldn't recommend products high in salt. The third thing that I was going to cover today was about snacks. So snacks are a great way to increase calorie content in somebody's diet. Making sure that that individual has snacks that they enjoy, so just checking they've got some availability of things that they enjoy, but also making sure that those snacks are high in nutrients, are high in calories. So a really good nourishing snack might be something like crumpets with soft cheese. So that was all of the tips I'm covering today. Just so that you're aware, these are general tips, and if the individual that you're caring for has any medical conditions, food allergies or issues with their swallowing for which they've received special dietary advice, then these tips might not be suitable for them. So always check with a healthcare professional. Thank you so much for listening, and if there's any questions at all, please do give us a shout.